Hey everyone, I am back with another amazing video that is about nephron, the functional unit of kidney. Let's talk about nephron. Basically, nephron is the functional unit of kidney and there are about 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Let's talk about the parts of nephron. There are two parts of nephron. The first one is renal corpuscle and the second one is renal tubule. Let's talk about renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle is basically not tubular, means it is not in the form of tube. Okay, let's talk about the two parts of the renal corpuscle. These are glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. If we talks about glomerulus, basically it is the network of capillaries. And if we talks about Bowman's capsule, it is cup-shaped structure which encloses glomerulus. Okay. The other part of the nephron is renal tubule. It is in the form of tube. Okay. And it consists of basically proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. Let's talk about the structure with the diagram. This is the structure of the nephron. This is the first part of the nephron that is called the renal corpuscle. It consists of two parts, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. You can see here is the network of capillaries that is called glomerulus. Which another part of the nephron is Bowman's capsule, which encloses glomerulus. And these two things are the part of renal corpuscle, the first part of the nephron. Let's talk about the second part of nephron, that is renal tubule. You can see it is in the form of tube. Here is a tube. It is not tubular, the first part. It is the first part of nephron. Okay, a renal corpuscle. And the remaining tube-like structure is the second part of nephron that is called the renal tubule, which consists of proximal convoluted tubule. Convoluted means it is in the form of curves. You can see convoluted, and it is also convoluted. First part after the renal corpuscle is proximal convoluted tubule, and the last part is distal convoluted tubule. There are three parts of the renal tubules: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. First part is proximal convoluted tubule. Second part is U-shaped structure that is called loop of Henle. This is called descending loop of Henle and this is called ascending limb of loop of Henle. Okay, and this is the distal convoluted tubule which just drained into the collecting duct. You can see this is the collecting duct. These collecting ducts join and make a papillary duct which drain urine in the renal pelvis. It's all about the structure of nephron. There are two parts of nephron, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle consists of two parts, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. A renal tubule consists of three parts, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule. It's all about the structure of the nephron, which is the basic functional unit of nephron. Okay. In my next video, I will tell you about the function of the kidney, and that function is performed by this nephron.